Why don't diets work for everyone? Have you ever tried to lose weight by adhering to a diet plan that highlighted certain foods while excluding others and struggled to maintain it? Have you indulged in a prohibited food or had a cheat day to give in to your cravings? In the past, popular belief was that dieting, calorie counting, or both were required for weight management. This may involve eating less than what is comfortable and disregarding food cravings. These are all examples of external controls that are used to control weight. However, a number of significant studies show that eating with all these controls in place is actually linked to weight growth over time. Initial success, and then we have some success at first. Then we have a break. Then we put on weight. Then, it is back to rigorous dieting again. Research and studies confirm this. One study shows after 1 year, all the weight loss results largely disappear. There must be a better way. As a result, a lot of dietitians and medical professionals are advising people to rely on their own internal management of hunger cues. This technique, known as intuitive eating, allows you to eat as much and as little as you desire. You eat according to your physical needs. You rely more on your hunger instinct and also when you feel full. Intuitive eating means eating based on physical, as opposed to emotional, cues. This implies that the necessity for nourishing nutrients in your body comes first. The reliance on internal hunger and fullness cues is another important feature of intuitive eating. Again, permission is the key word in this sentence. Allow yourself to eat when you're hungry, but pay attention to fullness. Stop feeling guilty and enjoy your food. Diets don't lead to sustained weight loss. Furthermore, diets foster a controlling, limiting relationship with food. Give up dieting in favor of intuitive eating. Learn how to have a better relationship with food. Intuitive eating is all about having a healthy relationship with food, mind, and body. Forget about your weight and body size. Concentrate on healing your relationship with food. For more insights on intuitive eating by Evelyn Tribole, check the link in the description and in the comments.